Over the past 20 plus years, I've discovered marketing and being a leader of teams have something in common. They are both underpinned by our values. Our values inspire our purpose, and our purpose inspires our culture, which makes culture our strategy. There's truly something beautiful about marketing on purpose. It is beneficial not only to your customers and potentially the planet, but to your organizational performance. The strategic marketing methodology I have developed, called Proactive, starts by working with your key stakeholders to understand your values and your purpose. Purpose is best discovered in a workshop-style environment, first embarked on by the leader of the organization and then the team members and customers. I take great joy in sharing this journey of discovery with both present and emerging leaders just like you. Please join me on March 25th for the third monthly online webinar on Leading with Purpose. This is a guided workshop where I will walk you through a series of questions which will help to formulate both your personal purpose and also your brand purpose. Please register for this free event on the link provided, and for every attendee who is present, I will donate a eucalyptus tree to the Currumbin Wildlife Hospital Foundation. Thank you for embarking on this journey to becoming a purposeful leader. I'm Chris Hogan, founder of Me Media. Cheers.